there, it's Ashley with WTI, and what I have right up here are the Garibosh patio lights. I was so excited to receive these lights. It adds such a nice ambiance to my patio. Really easy to install. It comes with a remote and extra bulbs, and I had some nails here on my patio already, so I simply hung them on the nails and they were ready to go. You plug it in, you download your Magic Lantern app, or you can use the remote, but the app makes it really cool to change the light color, or you can choose a rhythm. And it has many different rhythms to choose from. Another feature is you can do music sync mode to control your outdoor lights with music and watch them react in real time. I would highly recommend these lights, whether it's indoor or outdoor, you're camping. They have the smaller version bulb or the bigger version bulb. They also carry the classic bulb. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And that's my point of view.